you, my King, should die for me. Amazing love, I know it's true. It's my joy to honor you in all I do. I honor you. I'm forgiven because you were forsaken. I am dead, you were condemned. I'm alive and well, your spirit lives within me, because you died and rose again. Amazing love, how can it be that you, my King, would die for me? Amazing love, amazing love, I know it's true. It's my joy to honor you.